Hello everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology. We'll be looking at paper 2 presentation, May-June 2022, the second variant of it, and we'll just be diving into the presentation. Okay, I think this should be okay. Yeah. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file j2222tourism.rtf. Okay, so for you to obviously import this, you have to open it. You must have opened the presentation in the background, and then you click. I'm just going to copy this. Yeah. Click on File. Click on Open. Switch folders. Okay. Let me search here. Okay. Tourism. Okay, so we have it. J22. Just going to pause to look for it. Okay, so I think I've gotten it here. Click on Open. Yeah, so this is fine. So okay, so we have this. All right, so we have this. So yeah, I'm just going to save this right now. Save. Just going to copy it. Okay. Unless otherwise instructed, the slide must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay. Use a master slide to display only the following features. Okay, so let's do that. Now in your slide master, whatever effects or features you add to it, all the slides that are linked to it is going to be affected as well. Okay, it's going to be applied to it as well. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we have that. So we're going to use the slide master to display only the following features: 3 to 4 point tick horizontal line, okay, so click on Insert Shape. Okay, under the shape outline, we have the weight, 3 points. Now for us to get your ruler is right here, right? There's also a guide for it. If you want to have a guide for it, okay, you can also do that. But so obviously I'm going to adjust this a bit. Now please do not delete anything, because obviously you're going to be adding a text. The text you're going to be adding is not for this. You're going to create a text box for it. Do not delete anything. Don't delete this title, because if you definitely delete title, you're going to have you probably you will have to probably start again. So please do not delete it. Okay. All right. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to add just a form of measurement to be sure. So right here, I'm going to make it 3 centimeter. Okay, format. Okay, Okay, it's done there. Okay, so we have that. Just going to adjust it here. And I'm just going to make it this, because obviously this is half of it, so I'm just going to make it here. That's fine. And I can take this off. Now I'm still going to adjust this again. Yes, because obviously I don't want. Okay, just a bit. All right, so we have this here. And just to be sure that this is a 3-pointer, yes, it is. Okay, so about 3 centimeters from the top. So it might not be exact the same. It has to be about of it. It might not be exact, but it might be a little bit more. But it has to be about of 3 centimeters from the top. So okay, so this is fine. Yeah, this is okay. Now above the line, enter the text support coastal tourism. So I'm going to insert a text box. Okay, highlight it because it's going to be in a large black font aligned to the top right of the slide. Top right. Okay. Make sure the text does not wrap. Okay, so let's make sure, yes, the text does not wrap. Yeah. So we're good. Automatic slide number on the bottom left. We're going to add our header and footer, slide number, footer, to enter your name. So we have center number at AN017, comma. Then we have 2023. Yeah, apply to all. Okay. So we have that. I'm going to just format this. Make this 20 bold. Yeah. 20 bold. Okay, so we have this. And the automatic slide number on the bottom left. So bottom left. So that's for the automatic slide number on the bottom left. Your name, center number, candidate number can just be anywhere, so it's fine. I think we're good to go. What else? Make sure that the master slide item appear in the same position on every slide. No item overlap on any slide. Okay. So yes, the master slide item appears in the same position on every slide. No item overlap on any slide. So so we can just click on view, normal slides, and we have them in all of them. Okay. All right. Use the data in the file J2222 both.csv to create a vertical bar chart. Okay, so let's do that. And obviously we're going to save this as a workbook. So I'm going to do this here. Okay, we're going to create a vertical bar chart for only the top 5 ranked countries. Okay, right, ranked countries. The chart must display, okay, for only the top 5 ranked countries. So we're going to display about for only the top 5 ranked countries. The chart must display the name of the country on the category axis and the value for 2022 only. Okay, so it's going to display the value for 2022 only. So I have here and hold my control to select 2022 only. Okay, the name of the country on the category axis, and of course the values for 2022 only. Okay, so yes, let's create our chart. So click on insert, then your bar chart right here. Okay, so the name of the country on the category axis, yes. Okay, completed. Label the chart as follows: chart title, recreational boats in Europe. Okay, I'm going to select all, paste. Value axis title thousands. So I'm going to click the chart element. Axis title is for vertical, right there. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Okay. Category axis title country. Horizontal. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Okay, it's completed. Display only the data values at the top of each bar. Okay, my chart element, data labels. Okay, format the axis scales to display a minimum value of 0. Okay, done. A maximum value of 1100. Okay, that was close. Okay, right click on this, format axis. It's going to be 1000, and this is going to be a 0 in it. Okay, an increment of 100. So we have, okay, all right. This is completed. Place the chart to the left of the bullet on the slide with the title participation. So I'm going to copy this, copy, okay, with the title participation. Okay, I'm just going to adjust this, paste this, okay. Just be careful that you don't mess up anything here. Nope. Drag it like this. This is better. So you just have to just apply caution, or you could also use here for the shape width as well, you know, just to okay, okay, or you could just drag the edges from here, here. I think this will be fine. Else the lines are there to guide you. Okay, okay, so all of them are appearing on a straight line right here. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, so on the slide with the title, make sure no word in the chart are split. All detail labels are fully visible. No legend is displayed. Not at all. The chart and its content do not overlap any slide item. No, they don't. So this is completed. So there are no words that are split, and that's really cool because I had issues with United Kingdom, but I think we're good to go. Yeah. Add the following text as presenter or speaker notes to the slide with the title participation. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the speaker notes. Now, obviously, for the speaker note, there are two ways you can go about it. You can add it right here by typing it here to add a note, or you can come to your view and then you can come to your note page and you can add it here as well. Okay, so whichever one you want to add it is fine. Okay, because obviously, if you come back here, it's going to be added here as well. Print only this slide as a presenter or speaker note, and this is going to be a printout 7. So that's slide 4. Click file, click save, click file, click print. Slide 4, and we're going to print this as a presenter or speaker note. Make sure your name, serial number, candidate number are on the slide. Okay, so we're going to print this. It's going to look for it. Okay, so paste this here. Print of 7. Okay. save the presentation, print the presentation as a handout, right, with 6 slides, okay, to the page. Click on file, click on print. To print the handout, print the handout with 6 slides to the page. Okay, so we're going to take off this and we're going to print this as, okay, so this is completed. So 6 slides. Obviously I'm using horizontal, so it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Obviously if you're using vertical, it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6, whichever one is fine. Okay, now another important thing is make sure your name, center number, candidate number are on all slides. Okay, so this is going to be printout 8. Just going to copy this. All right, so we can just check what we have done. So we have printout 7 right here. Okay, it's looking legible. Okay, yeah, the other one, printout 8. See how it looks. Okay, so we are good to go. So please, it's not just you watching it, but please try to practice along with it. Okay, and not just practice, please also like the video. Okay, and please do also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more in-depth teaching of IGCSE ICT, both practical and theory. And do have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.